I'm a 2025 bride, and this is everything I will not be doing at my wedding. I'm going to be getting ready while I give you the list. Let's get this hair right. Sure. Of course, if you're doing any of these, I'm not coming after you. This is my personal preferences for my wedding. You do you, you do you. This is just what I've got in mind for my wedding. First things first, I will not be doing a first look. I always had in mind that the first time my husband-to-be sees me is when I walk down that aisle, and that's non-negotiable. That's the first time he's gonna see me. I'm here for the drama, tears and all. I'm pretty set on that. Simon and I are not getting married in a church. It was never really a consideration. Neither of us are religious. We are doing 2 ceremonies though, getting married twice, because why not? The first one is in London at a town hall, and it's a very tiny ceremony, very small group of people, and then a big ceremony in France, which is where I'm from, with everyone. Of course, of all days, I've got this massive zit on my forehead. No car. We are getting married in one location. There's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to escape. It would just be for show, which makes no sense and is a waste of money. Next up, which I feel people haven't been doing recently anyway, no garter toss. It's just a little weird to me, having your husband reach out under your dress, grab the garter and throw it in the crowd. What? Doing that in front of your family, I don't know, it just feels a little wrong. We won't be doing a choreographed dance. It doesn't really feel like us, and frankly, I don't want another thing to stress about on the day to get right and it being absolutely perfect. And I just don't want it to feel super performative. You're celebrating. It's not a performance. I don't want that pressure. I have definitely overdone the blush. Oh well. Another one, no cake. In my opinion, again, it's a waste of money. Yes, you get a lovely picture, but when it actually comes down to eating the cake, no one wants it. People are either full, they don't like cake, or they just carry the slice around until it's dry and they put it aside or in the bin. So no cake, but we are doing a profiterole tower instead, which are much smaller treats. And you know, still aesthetically nice for photos. And they're more likely to get eaten. No full-length songs at the ceremony or the dances at the reception. The crowd gets a little bored and no one really wants to sit there for 4 minutes watching you dance. Again, my opinion. Ed Sheeran won't be playing at my wedding. I, for one, can't really stand his music. Sorry. But it's so overplayed and overdone at weddings. And because I'm not a fan of his music in general, that was sort of a no-brainer. So Ed Sheeran fans, I'm sorry. No bouquet toss. I do have something very special planned, but it's not a bouquet toss. No party favors. They're super cute, don't get me wrong, I love them, but it is just a waste of money in my opinion. I can see them being left behind or finding them in someone's cupboard 5 years later. I do have something planned for my guest, but it's just not a thing to carry around. No outfit change. Now, I might change my mind about this one, but I have a beautiful, very special dress and a lot of money was spent on it. I will want to stay in that dress for as long as I possibly can. So I just don't think I'm gonna want to change later on in the evening, but I do have one on the side just in case. Now the last thing is, it's not a thing we won't do, but Simon and I will take 15 minutes aside, just the 2 of us somewhere together, away from everyone, to have a breather, to have a moment together, to reset, because weddings are a lot. And I want to make sure we feel really present, and that's usually done by just taking a moment together to realize what's happening, to realize, you know, that we've just got married. So yeah, this is the look. It's super simple. This is my everyday look. And that is everything I won't be doing at my wedding.